You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the word sex in India. How is sex said in India? Well, it is most often pronounced just exactly the same way as sex, although in Hindi you may hear it said, or you may hear talking about ling as well, to talk about sex, ling, or simply sex. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.